Good morning Baguio, Typhoon Luis ngayon. Pero pupunta tayo sa flag racing ceremony sa City Hall. So, let's go. Okay, Typhoon Luis, medyo malakas yung ulan konti. Wala pang class suspension. So, antayin natin kung may pasok yung mga anak ko. Pero ngayon, pupunta tayo dun sa City Hall. Makiki flag racing ceremony. With one of the most well-loved and hardworking councilors ng Baguio City Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. So, tara. Pero McDonald's muna tayo. Yan si Councilor Cayabas.
Candidates up front for a quick photo opportunity. We will now ask our barangay officials to please take their seats.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the business. Frozen in time, yet alive in how we live today. The excitement unfolds across our streets, from the historic echoes of the origins to the vibrant tapestry of global cultures and country-themed spectacles, from Session Road to Malcolm Square. The city awakens. Baguio Country Fair becomes the everlasting shade of tomorrow. Watch history. Take a look as we open the gates to the Arboretum. At the heart of our celebration, Baguio comes together in a tribute to
Once again, these are your 16 Islamic candidates with their full barangays, with respective representatives of their barangays and our city officials. We will request our city officials to please remain on stage for awarded to Mr. Wayne Wright and Lindigan as the official delegate of Baguio City and the Philippines at the 2026 San Antonio Sister Cities Youth Summit. held on July 23 to 30, 2026 at Trinity University, San Antonio, Texas, USA. By taking on the global stage with remarkable courage, again, congratulations, Mr. Wainwright and Egan.
Beloved also dear, we praise thee, we serve thee wherever we are. Your mountain so grand, crowned with green pine trees and such, with moss so far.
Okay, so tapos na yung flag raising ceremony. Uwi naman tayo ngayon sa quarry para maghatid kay Ru, yung anak ko. May pasok ata ngayon. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. Okay, so tapos na yung flag raising ceremony. Uwi naman na tayo ngayon sa quarry. Maglalakad tayo. Middle quarry. So, ihatid ko yung anak ko. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. Okay, ito yung payong kong libre sa Honor na cellphone. Iba yung ulan, parang powdery siya. Ito siguro yung bagyo or habagat.